Is the Lost Book of Remedies an alternative to mainstream medicine? The Lost Book of Remedies is your utmost director to make you learn about how to identify more than 100 plants to treat a variety of diseases, symptoms, bumps, bruises, and much more. This Lost Book of Herbal Remedies is used as a survival guide containing natural resources that can be accomplished using the plants from the earth. This book contains all the information related to remedies, medicinal plants, backyard medicinal, and backyard pharmacy plants. Click the first link below to get the Lost Book of Remedies for a discounted price now from the official website. How does it help? This Lost Book of Old Remedies contains all the natural medicinal remedies extracted from various plants that go against all the conventional medicines. They do not only treat the symptoms. Instead, it targets the core condition causing the disease, symptoms, or illness while relying on your body's natural ability to repair itself, making you live a healthy and lively life. Why you should buy the Lost Book of Remedies. The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies by Claude Davis contains all the treatments, information from the old herbal medicine books, and the use of plants for daily life symptoms, illness, diseases, and other medical conditions. As conventional medicine suppresses the immune system and weakens it, it is better to use medicinal plants to naturally recover from illnesses, which makes the immune system durable. Click the first link below to get the Lost Book of Remedies for a discounted price now from the official website. A great reason to buy the complete guide to the Lost Book of Old Remedies, consisting of 304 colored pages that pinpoint every plant separately and give treatments in this handy book. The remedies in this backyard pharmacy ebook are 100% original, tested, and medically proven without any risk. What is included? This Lost Book of Herbal Medicines is based on 5 parts. In the first part, you'll discover about the medicines you're growing around your backyard. In the second part, you'll learn how to identify wild edibles and remedies from plants available in forests. In the third part, you'll discover the wild edibles identification and backyard medicines that grow, especially in prairie. In the fourth part, all medicinal and edible trees in North America are given in detail. In the last chapter, the conventional treatments that our grandparents used for illness and what role do these plants play in improving overall health is given. Click the first link below to get the Lost Book of Remedies for a discounted price now from the official website. How much does it cost? This book comes at very reasonable prices. The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies PDF and the Lost Book of Herbal hardcover both can be bought at the cost of $37. With the Lost Book of Remedies physical and digital editions, an additional delivery charge is required to be paid, which is also very practical and costs $8.99 for complete shipping and handling of the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies by Nicole Appelian. The author of Lost Book of Remedies, Dr. Nicole Appelian, is a mother, a herbalist, a biologist, a survival skills instructor, and an anthropologist who completed her bachelor's from McGill University, master's from the University of Oregon, and PhD from the Prescott College, Arizona. She lived in San Bushman of the Kalahari Desert to study plants and is known as the best for making powerful remedies for people facing many troubles regarding their health, cash, or who wants to live a healthier life. Click the first link below to get the Lost Book of Remedies for a discounted price now from the official website. In 2000 she suffered multiple sclerosis that took her towards the idea to apply her research skills and bring health to her through nature that made her go from bedridden condition to being fully alive. In 2015, she was the first woman elected to feature in History Channel's top TV show, Alone. Despite having multiple sclerosis, she went to survive alone for 57 days straight in a secluded area of Vancouver Island with only a hunting knife and the foods and medicine that she found in the wild. That is how she came across Claude Davis's Lost Book of Herbal Remedies and started to live well to bring back the Lost Book of Old Remedies in a more advanced version. Click the first link below to get the Lost Book of Remedies for a discounted price now from the official website. What are the benefits? Here are few benefits enlisted, but upon buying this Book of Herbal Remedies, you'll discover the real deal. This Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. It is an essential book that takes help from nature's powers. Protects you from every kind of health problem. Improves overall living style. Tells you how to grow your medicinal plants. Optimizes your health and improves it by preserving blood pressure levels and diabetes levels, preventing inflammation and bleeding, reversing arthritis and enhancing digestion, cognitive abilities, making your immune system more durable, and fights off various diseases like heart diseases and tumors, cancers, and more. Click the first link below to get the Lost Book of Remedies for a discounted price now from the official website. Where to buy it? The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies is available on Amazon as well as on the official website with a 60 days warranty period with a full money-back guarantee if you are not satisfied. However, there will be no need for that. Buy the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies now and get a bonus of 2 fantastic books that are worth $29 each for free, containing more knowledge about the herbal medicines. Conclusion: so if you are tired of these conventional medicines and the unreasonable heaps of money you pay to cure your diseases, this is the best book to have. This Lost Book of Herbal Remedies will help you in need of health emergency by using natural ways. Since this book is available with a full money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose if you purchase this book. Click the first link below to get the Lost Book of Remedies for a discounted price now from the official website. Buy this book and get the bonuses and the power to use your backyard to heal any disease, illness, symptoms, or medical emergency that you face. This survival ebook and paperback book are what you need, and the organized way it is created makes it easier for the people without any knowledge of plants to grow and use them for various treatments. So buy this fantastic book now and enjoy a healthier lifestyle until your old age, starting now in your adult age. My final recommendation is to pick the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies from its official website in the first link below, follow it up and then come back here again to let us know what you think about it. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more useful content.